Dear ladies and gentlemen, this video tutorial will help you to understand the danger of pop-ups from the page enerateok.top. enerateok.top. Now, it's a dangerous website that attacks the majority of popular browsers. It targets Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers today. The mission of this website is to force you into subscribing to the uncontrolled web push notifications. So when you mistakenly click on the allow button, this is the moment when more problems start to happen with your browser. The alert indicates that clicking on the allow button is important to prepare to download some file. I assume that these alerts may come up on some file download websites, software download websites, but when you interact with these alerts, when you actually click on the allow button, this is the moment when the browser gets hijacked. If you have clicked on allow, of course the problem can be fixed. Go to the menu, click on settings, then site settings and notifications. Now check the allow area. Find the suspicious websites here in the list, including this enerateok.top. Click on this related button and remove it. Also, if you see some other suspicious websites, remove them too. Finally, I also would recommend that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software and start the application and start scanning your Mac computer with this program. Click on Start Combo Scan and the free analysis of your Mac will begin. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.